Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Mr. Bean. Draw 3 lines with equal distance to each other. Turn the lines to 2 squares by drawing lines at top and bottom. Draw a triangle at the bottom of the rectangle. Split the top right square into 2 parts. Draw nose. Draw cheeks at the bottom of the left square. Draw eye socket at the bottom of the left square. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw eyebrows. Draw hair. Draw ear. Draw hair. Draw wrinkles on the forehead. Draw mouth. Draw a slanted rectangle for the upper body. Draw tie. Draw coat collar. Draw coat. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw shoe. Draw shoe. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.